Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Raeford, Mr. English, and in today's class, I'm going to help you with the pronunciation of the different numbers, okay? So let's get right to it. Guys, I'm going to say the numbers, and you can repeat after me, okay, to practice the right pronunciation. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 32, 43, 54, 65, 76, 87, 98, 100. So guys, now let's continue, okay? 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. Now, when you combine all these numbers, you get a number like this: 1,579. 1,579. It's possible to also say 1,579. Okay? Well, guys, for today, that's it. Don't forget to do the activities, and most importantly, always use your English. Bye-bye.